That's kind of a personal definition of what is industrial and what is commercial. So let's just take it to the design, life testing phase of when a piece of laundry machine is manufactured, and what did the engineers intend on it. Our Unimac washers, for example, are life tested to 50,000 cycles. They do have other machines, so that's what we call our UW series, our cabinet machines, which is more of a square cabinet. Their life cycle tested to 30,000 cycles. Doesn't mean one is necessarily the best solution. The more expensive solution, let's say, is the $50,000, 50,000 cycle. But what's your use capacity, right? So if I'm interviewing you and our sales team is interviewing you, how much are you really going to be using those machines? If you're using them 2 or 3 or 4 times a day, you may not need to invest in the more rugged machine. But if you're running 10, 12, 14 hours a day or more, and you need 10, 15 years of life out of them, then we have a solution. So it kind of really depends to your application and what you're trying to accomplish and what your budget are. But the point is that understanding your product, understanding your customer, and making sure that you help them, lead them to the right recommendation so that they get out of their investment what they're expecting. Hotel efficiency. If you are a 200-room hotel and you have undersized machines, you could be running, and you're full, all of a sudden you might be running that laundry almost 24 hours a day just trying to get caught up, right? So you want to be able to size your machines so that you can be able to get it done in the period of time that you as the manager want it done. So let's say it's a 10-hour day. We help you do that math. We help you understand how many pounds that you're going to generate per occupied room, how fast we need to get it done. Well, if you only have 200 pounds of wash capacity, but you needed 300 or 400, well, now you're working twice as long to get it done. So, and that relates to labor hours. So it's important that we help you design a laundry, size a laundry based on what your demands are, whether you have pools, whether you have restaurants, even their thread count can make a difference on how much laundry that you'll generate. But those are all things that we help you calculate to make sure we're making the right recommendation, that you're not going to be stuck with these really, working Saturdays, Sundays. Staffing somebody on a Sunday night is going to be tougher than a Monday morning. So making those proper decisions can really impact your operation side.